keep looking. Where to next, Lark?
That looks like the end of the tour.
The end?
Are you sure?
No sitting on the royal throne.
Where are we?
These must be the secret royal tunnels, dear boy. Every castle has them.
But how do we get out? Which way do we go?
Don't ask me, old chap. You're the tour guide.
Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's try this way.
Maybe another way. This way?
Or this way?
I'm sure we've passed that cobweb before. Milo, I think we're lost.
You're right. What sort of tour guides get themselves lost? Not very good ones.
We still haven't had a peep of Queen Mabel.
Excuse me. Can someone turn the music down? Milo's trying to think.
We're not playing any music.
Well, if we're not playing that music...
Who is?
I don't think the tour's finished yet. Follow me. Do you think it could be Queen Mabel?
Well, who else would be in the royal party vault?
We're tour guides, your royal ladyship.
And our group really want to meet you.
You had better come in then. Welcome to my party vault.
Last one to the top is a pair of lofty stinky pants.
Hey, my pants aren't stinky.
I think I need to walk from here.
Are we nearly at the top?
It can't be too far.
Oh, that does look quite high now.
Don't worry, Lofty. We'll be at the top by lunchtime.
Oh, a mountain picnic sounds nice.
Did anyone hear that? Might be a real snow monster.
That's just my tummy. Climbing Mount Everest is making me hungry.
Me too. How about an early picnic?
Oh, yes! Brilliant idea.
Oh, are we at the top yet?
Can't be too far now, Lofty. Shall we keep going?
Yes, but first, let's build a snowman.
Yes!
Let's call him Timmy.
He's got a good view. We are really high now, aren't we?
Let's take a photo of Timmy.
Back a bit. Back a bit more.
That ice made a funny noise.
It'll be fine, Lofty.
Say, frozen trees.
Frozen trees.